Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today we are starting off with a slightly different intro because I am in my PJs. Today we're going to be doing a get ready with me video. So I've already dropped Lucas off at daycare and now I'm back home and I haven't had anything done yet. First, what I like to do is actually go to my closet and pick out something that I want to wear for the rest of the day, just so it sets the tone and the mood. This is actually my walk-in closet in my bedroom, and this is where I put most of my clothes, but it's definitely not all. I do work with a lot of hauls and I have to do constant clothing try-on, so I have a rack here in my office. And what these clothes are is they're basically the new clothes that I'll be featuring in my upcoming hauls or try-ons. This rack is where I like to go to every morning to sort of pick out my outfit for the day. So I think I'm gonna go with this one today because I'm feeling kind of girly, kind of romantic. This is a cute little summer dress by Revolve, so let's get changed into that. So I'm back at my makeup table here in my bedroom after changing into this gorgeous dress, and now I feel more put together. Today is just going to be an average day, so after we get ready, I'm just gonna head down for some breakfast and start my day with some emails, and then we're gonna do some filming afterwards. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna put on my filming face whenever you see me, you know, doing my try-on hauls and stuff. I have like a full face of makeup on, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm just starting off with some skincare. So this is kind of like an eye serum that I got in my latest unboxing video. If you watched it, then you know that I was so excited to try this one. This is the Lancome Advanced Genifique for your eyes. I'm just gonna put it here on the bottom. It feels so cooling. And then for moisturizer, I'm just using the Laneige Emulsion. Because we're in the summer now, this is actually such a lightweight moisturizer. It's kind of like gelish. It's not really a cream. Because I have super oily skin, this works out perfectly for me. Just pat it into my skin. Starting off with makeup, I'm doing a concealer. This is the Marc Jacobs concealer that I've talked about in all of my videos. I love this concealer so much, so much. So I basically just put it under my eyes, side my nose, and just kind of like everywhere. There. I'm just taking a beauty blender. I've slightly wet it with water, so it's a bit moist right now, and I'm just going in and blending out my concealer. So now I'm moving on to eyebrows, and I'm using, this is such an old eyebrow pencil. Like, look at it, it's so beat up. I don't even know where it's from. I think I got it from Shoppers. It's Essence, I believe, and it was only like $2 when I bought it. This is the difference with brows and no brows. Moving on to my eyes, and I'm gonna be using the Naked palette. This is the Naked Reloaded palette that I got like 5 of last time when I went to Miami. You guys saw my vlog, you know what I'm talking about. And oops, too excited. So usually for my everyday makeup, you know, it tends to be a lot more lighter and more like natural, but because I have to film today and you know, like everything just looks more toned down in camera, so I just have to make it a bit more dramatic in real life. That way it shows up better on camera. Next, I'm going in with my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and this is just like a gel eyeliner that I use on a daily basis to help contour my eyes. Okay, so now my basic eye makeup is completed. We're gonna go on and add these awesome fake lashes. So I always use false lashes whenever I'm filming. This is what they look like. They're really wispy and really long, and like a dramatic type of lashes, which is what I need because I have like 0 lashes, okay? My lashes are so short. I don't even bother putting mascara on them and curling them because it's just going to be a significant waste of time on my part, and I would just rather stick these on, and you can't even tell I have like lashes underneath these because they're just so short. These are the velour lashes in Mink collection, and I'm also using the velour glue. If you guys watched my Maldives vlog, you know that I actually wore these lashes using this glue. And I went like snorkeling, underwater diving for like hours, and afterwards it still stayed on my eyes. Like, I don't understand how the glue is so amazing. While I'm waiting for it to dry, I'll put on my lipstick and my lip liner. So this is the one I'm using. This is Wonder Beauty, and I'm really loving their stuff. This entire collection just makes stuff really easy for you to apply on the go. So this would be perfect if you're like on a bus or a moving vehicle. So this takes like a lot of practice, but thank God I've had so much practice. This is the difference, boys and girls, between lashes and no lashes. Okay, so now that our eye makeup is completed, we're gonna move on to facial contouring, which brings me to a huge announcement that I will be making. I am scheduled to get a rhinoplasty in August, and I am kind of excited about it, but I'm also really nervous about it because I haven't done anything to my face prior to that. I'm watching a lot of YouTubers go through the same process in Korea, because I'll be doing it in Korea. And yeah, I will be vlogging the whole thing, so I'll be taking you guys along with me. I actually contemplated a long time before filming this video and whether or not I should be telling you guys ahead of time, since plastic surgery is such a social stigma and it's a topic that, you know, has very extreme views. So you either like support it all the way or you kind of like don't support it at all. This is something that I've been wanting to do for a super long time, and I've done all my research, and at this point in my life, I'm like 30, I just feel like I'm financially stable and emotionally stable enough to be able to go forward on this venture. And that is my huge announcement, because I just feel like it's something that, you know, you guys are gonna find out anyway watching my later videos. You'd be like, your face looks different. I just wanted to clear the air before any of those speculations happen and just tell you guys straight up, yes, I will be getting a nose job. If you want to get into the reasons of that, I just feel like it's a whole new video, a whole new topic that we can explore all together another time. But for now, I would just say that, you know, something I've been wanting for a really long time. I'm very confident and I'm sure that I want to get this procedure done. I have the blessings and support from all my family and friends, and I just hope that you guys will continue to support me. For the girls out there who are contemplating doing this, I just want to say that this is your life, this is your face, you know, you're the one that's waking up every day for the rest of your life and facing this decision that you're making. So make sure that you want to do it for yourself and not to like please anyone else. So that is the makeup for our day, and right now I'm just going to be moving on to curling my hair and basically start the day. This is the finished look, so I'm done curling my hair and putting my extensions on. I'm gonna move on to accessories. You guys know, and I've talked about this brand so much on my Instagram. They're the brand Movement. This watch I wear on an everyday basis, so I've got it for about a year now, and I've worn it in so many outfits just because it goes with every single thing. So yeah, they reached out to me and they asked me if I wanted to feature some new arrivals from their site, and I'm like, of course, absolutely. So I'm gonna show you some new accessories that I got from Movement that I think is super cool. First off, we have a watch. So this is a watch that I handpicked from the site because I thought it was so cute. It's kind of similar to this one, except it's rectangular in shape, and I just love the design of it so much more. It gives such like a retro vibe, like it's so 90s. Every single time I'm wearing like a stack of bracelets on my hand, someone's like, where's your bracelet from? This one is actually from Movement as well, and it just complements any watch or any accessory that you're wearing on your wrist so well. It has like these like square studded pattern. Like, it actually reminds me of the Cartier bracelet. Like, this one is so chic, and it's just like in a one clasp, and you just clasp it on your wrist and you're ready to go, and it's not gonna fall out ever. It also has sunglasses, and when I saw it, I was like, ah! I'm in love with their sunnies, you guys. Okay, you guys know how much I wear sunglasses, right? I pretty much wear a different pair of sunglasses in every one of my Instagram posts. If you see my Instagram, you'll know what I mean. This one is so cute. Let me just put it on for you right now. Oh my god, it's so cute. I can actually die in these. Like, they're so 90s, and the quality is amazing. Like, you actually can wear these for such a long time. 100% protection from the UV rays, which is essential in the summer. I recently got LASIK eye surgery, so these will be so handy, especially especially in summer, because I just want to protect my eyeballs from the harmful sun rays. Okay, so I got these pair of Ever Scroll glasses from Movement, and they are the ones in the tortoise shell. They basically just look like regular glasses with a clear lens. So there is something here, there's a clear lens, but there's something special about these lenses. They protect your eyes and filter out the blue light that's coming from all the screens that you're staring at all day in your life. So if you're looking at the phone screen or like your iPad, it just radiates blue light, and these pair of glasses filters them out. So important, especially for all of you guys that are sitting at desk jobs, like looking at your computer all the time. And they make like a fashion statement too. So that's about all the accessories I got from Movement. If you are curious about any of these and you want to give them a try, I have a special code for you guys, Karina, for 15% off. So if you're interested, make sure you use my code, because I have had so many of my friends and family tell me how amazing these watches and these jewelry and these sunnies are. I think this video is getting too long and we need to put a stop to it right now, but yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these type of videos, or if you have any questions, especially regarding my huge announcement. I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.